Jaod bura ma Kiharu NDINDI nyoro wacho ni piny owacho biro yudo lal maduong' ponono ni giuso kwan omenda kata kwan mwandu kata shares ma kambi tudruok mar Safaricom ne kambi machielo mar Vodafone. Koloso gi jofwamb weche apisi mare buore Nairobi, nyoro nomedo ni okang' ma kamano ok ni kare kendo piny owacho oseyudo bath omenda maromo siling bilion 40.
A company that was trading at 45 shillings per share in 2021, the government is unashamedly telling Kenyans that they want to sell the same company at 34 shillings today. Most of the companies listed in the NSE as we talk are selling, and most of them, including banks, are selling past the 2021 levels. But now we want to give a discount based on the 2021 valuation of a 25% discount to the current buyers. And possibly this should be investigated. Why? Even after so many companies have been recording even 200% increase, Safaricom share, even with the bullish market, has not matched many of the companies in terms of the rise in share price. Probably there was a deliberate suppression of the share. And all I want to say is that the government is underselling Safaricom, and it is to the detriment of all